Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Measure 4 lemons, 1/2 cup sugar, 4 cups water, and 2 tablespoons honey if desired. Start by zesting 1 lemon on a microplane to capture fragrant oils, then juice all 4 lemons to yield about 1 cup of lemon juice. Strain seeds through a fine mesh sieve into a bowl. Keep 1/4 cup of the water aside for dissolving sugar. Gather a small saucepan, a wooden spoon, a citrus juicer, and a heat-proof pitcher for combining the hot lemonade. Dissolve 1/2 cup sugar in 1/4 cup hot water over medium heat for about 2 minutes until clear and syrupy. This simple syrup prevents grainy texture. Remove the saucepan from heat and stir in the strained 1 cup lemon juice, then gently add 4 cups hot water to reach serving temperature without boiling the acidity. Optional. Whisk in 2 tablespoons honey or 1/4 teaspoon grated ginger for depth of flavor. Then taste and adjust with a pinch of salt or another teaspoon of sugar if too tart. Serve hot lemonade in pre-warmed mugs, garnish with a lemon slice, a 1 cinnamon stick, or a sprig of mint for aromatics and presentation. For a calming twist, steep a chamomile tea bag in 1 cup of the hot lemonade for 3 minutes to infuse floral notes. Remove the bag before serving. Refrigerate leftovers in a sealed pitcher up to 3 days and reheat gently on low, stirring before serving. Or chill and serve over ice with 1/2 cup sparkling water for a fizzy variation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.